A very good afternoon to you, ladies and gentlemen, and the members of the press. And I welcome you all to the spectacular launch by Titan. Well, let me present the Celestial Time Collection. Your time has come. I know you all have been waiting for to have a look at the collection. And now we have a brand new TVC by Titan about the collection. Let's have a look at the TVC. Your eyes on the screens. I've been waiting for presenting to you one of the most finest actors of the young generation who have got critically acclaimed for all his performances, from winning the national award at the young age of 28 years to getting immensely appreciated for his performances in Kai Po Che. Hansal Mehta's recent movie City Lights established him as an actor with great potential and an ace performer. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together, everyone, for Mr. Rajkumar Rao, ladies and gentlemen. And yes, Rajkumar Rao presenting the very first time the latest collection by Titan. तालियां बजा दीजिए, इतने शांत क्यों हो गए, इतनी देर से इंतजार कर रहे थे आप लोग. May I also now request Mr. H.G. Raghunath, who is the CEO of Titan Watches and Accessories, to please join Mr. Rajkumar Rao on the stage with a big hand here, everybody. And of course, Mr. Raghunath will enlighten us more on the collection in a few moments from now. But yes, this is the moment. Take all the photographs that you all want. And I know you will have loads of collections, so once Mr. Raghunath is done with his... Yes, sir.
Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to this magnificent afternoon in Mumbai. I heard yesterday Mumbai had showers. Your monsoon has started, so the moon phase has arrived. You have everything coinciding good for this city of magnificent spirit and time. Thank you very much, Rajkumar, for accepting our invitation. You have been a very powerful actor. You have a powerful connection with Titan, and today's event is really embodies your spirit, your achievement, and the brand position that we have. Thank you once again. Titan, all of you know Titan company has watches, jewelry, and prescription eyewear, and precision engineering and automation. Titan Watches and Accessories division, we have Titan, Fast Track, Sonata, Zoo, Xylus, Nebula, Raga. We have brands which are there for all the consumers at all price segments. We have been going through the premiumization journey. Many of you know Raga and many of our collections. But today, in today's event, I would like to highlight how powerful is Titan on the men's collection. You all know Titan's Raga, you know Xylus, but Titan's men's collection, very powerful. We have been for a long time, for 28 years, we have been ruling this segment, men's collection. One of the star performers in men's collection has been Edge, which is the slimmest watch in the universe. Even after 15 years, nobody is able to replicate our Edge watches, even the Swiss industry. And the connection, the emotional connection with the brand. I am very happy today to be with you, and shall I announce the launch of the collection at this time? Okay, at the digital way. That is the watch craftsmanship that you can see. The second hand in beautifully painted, coated. You have the moon phase plate. On the side of the watch, you can see the moon plate plaque, which is embedded into the case. It is pure virgin moon phase. These watches are worn by people who would like to achieve something very great in their life. There is no boundary for these people. Urban male, entrepreneurial skills, ambition, aspiration, wants to do something not to please others. On one's own, it's a very self-inspiring thing. Mr. Rajkumar Rao, it embodies all this spirit. In the City Lights and Shahid, very powerful performances he has come with. I think we need to give him a big clap for the wonderful, powerful performance that he has got. Actually, he embodies the spirit of the celestial time. He has come on his own. He is a graduate, he is well informed, well educated, but already stealing the thunder in the first two movies, coming up very well. Fantastic fit for our celestial time watches. The celestial time watches are for those who would like to charter their paths, their own aspirations. They will create their own world, and everybody will have to respect them, get into this world. Welcome once again. Thank you very much.
Mr. Rajkumar,
Announce the launch.
we would like to at least hear some words from you on the
First,
special
I would like to
occasion.
ask you guys, how do you like the commercial? How was it? Nice? The watches are even more amazing.
He's wearing. Okay, we were just waiting for you to actually show us
This
what
one,
you're
this one I'm
wearing.
not giving back, so this one I'm keeping.
There we go. There we go. All right. Okay, now I'm going to obviously request Mr. Raghunath and Mr. Rajkumar Rao to please unveil the entire wonderful collection here.
respect time.
No, I totally believe in that. That's what even my father told me. मेरे फादर तो जब मैं देखता था उनको जब वो घर से बाहर निकलते थे तो अपनी वॉच को पहले माथे से लगाते थे. वो कहते थे कि वक्त सबसे बड़ा होता है और वक्त से बड़ा कुछ नहीं होता है, तो वक्त की इज्जत करो. तो आई टोटली बिलीव इन दैट थियरी.
How would you be punctuality in fact also like shootings पे ज़्यादातर कहा जाता है कि stars थोड़े ऐसे ही अक्सर लेट आया करते, तो how much do you believe in?
नहीं, वो ज़्यादातर कहा जाता है, ऐसा होता नहीं.
I mean to say with you.
Today he came 10 minutes early.
That's it.
Any more questions? Please raise your hand.
अभी पहली वॉच के बारे में कुछ बताओगे?
मेरी एक्चुअली पहली जो वॉच थी वो भी एक टाइटन की वॉच थी, जो कि मेरा एक प्राइज पोजेशन है और वो आज तक मेरे साथ है. और आई बॉट इट अराउंड सम 10-12 years बैक और वो अभी भी बहुत अच्छी चल रही है. तो वी ऑल नो टाइटन इज सच एन अमेजिंग ब्रांड एंड इट्स आवर ओन ब्रांड. आई एम रियली प्राउड टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद द ब्रांड.
Oh, thank you very much. It's a lot of appreciation for us. It's a motivation. Thank you very much.
जो लेट आते हैं शायद
नहीं लेट नहीं, आई थिंक सलमान भाई को दे देते हैं कि अभी वक्त है, शादी करो यार जल्दी, सब लोग वेट कर रहे हैं आपकी शादी का. बहुत टाइम है. आई थिंक हाँ, सलमान भाई की एज तक मैं भी कर लूँगा. I think it's, as we all know, we're launching the Celestial Time today, and there are only 4 watches in this collection, and they're beautifully made. As you can see, the moon phase in it, this mechanism has never been made before. It's an in-house movement which Titan has started. And as Sir was saying, it's very nominal. You know, it's not like it's not too steep. Like everybody can afford it, which I'm sure it's going to be a rage now because it's really I'm going to be proud of the watch for sure. And this one only actually I'm not going to give it back. I'm going to.
It will be sold across the world.
First time you all are launching or anybody else?
It's a beautiful question, sir. Celestial time, if we all have studied in our school and colleges, the connection of time with the Mother Earth and the galaxy. Actually, sir, the movement of Earth, the movement of planets, the entire system of galaxy is about timekeeping. The definition of time is the period elapsed between two events or two moments. You can measure in any way you want. Every measurement in this universe is coming from the time measurement only. Actually, race, time, speed, eating, anything, pressure, gauge, you take anything, it is all coming from the measurement of time. Therefore, Kal or time measurement is as much as we are existing today. It's wonderful. It's wonderful to feel about this. In our ancient days, there was no watch. People would measure by sun's shade. You can come to the center.
Of course, मैं cautious रहूँगा. मैं देखूँगा मैं क्या किस brand के साथ associate कर रहा हूँ. You know, बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप दें क्योंकि celebrities हैं, actors हैं, लोग उनकी बात को मानते हैं, लोग कहीं ना कहीं inspire होते हैं उनकी बातों से. So I think it's very important to be really cautious in whatever you're endorsing.
It's also a very important question. आजकल बहुत heat चल रहा है.
I had a great time doing this ad. I had this amazing co-actor Asif Basra with me. And you know, the director who made this ad, I shared a very good rapport with him. We understand each other really well. His name is Vivek Kakkad. And when he told me it's for Titan, I was even more happy. And I loved the concept. I thought there was so much to do in it. As an actor, I want to do stories which are performance driven. I just don't want to go and make faces that buy this brand. I want to touch people's heart, which I think was there in this ad. Absolutely, I love watches. How often? It depends. Whenever I'm out or whenever I feel like getting a new watch, I just do it.
It's an important question you are asking.
Sorry?
Oh, that's right.
I think both ways.
It's a beautiful question. Titan's positioning is that only. We had done a research recently amongst many consumers. इतना मोबाइल आ गया, इतना apparels आ गया, इतना Australian cookies आ गया, इतना cars आ गया. Watch कहाँ है? We checked with the consumers. Hundreds and thousands of consumers we checked with them. Every consumer said one important thing. Watch is still a very important fashion accessory I have, and it is a very good gifting item. जब my flight में जाता हूँ ना, they will ask me to put off mobile, but they will not ask me to put off my watch. Watch is always with me, and therefore it is not a separate accessory. So in this research, a consumer said, I still love watches. Good design, good fashion accessory, good quality, I still would love to buy. For gifting also, it continues to be a very powerful product.
Anyways, I think there are very limited accessories for males especially. And this is one, I don't think we should lose it. This one should always be in fashion.
Yes, sir? If they have any questions, they can always speak to us.
In case if you still have any more questions, you may ask them personally. So thank you, Rajkumar. Thank you so very much for taking a time out and being here with us on a very special moment. So any more photographs? You can have yes, just few more photographs.
I'm really happy and I'm really proud to be associated with this brand Titan, which is the leading manufacturer in the country and 6th largest in the world. और हमारा अपना ब्रांड है। आई थिंक मेरी अपनी खुद की जो पहली वॉच थी जो मैंने ली थी आज से कुछ 10-12 साल 15 साल पहले, वो भी एक टाइटन की वॉच जो अभी तक बहुत अच्छी चल रही है। इट गिव्स मी इमेंस प्लेजर टू बी हियर टुडे। जी जी बहुत गिल्टी लगता है बिकॉज इतने लोग वेट कर रहे हैं आपका और आप समय से नहीं पहुंच पाते हैं। उसके कई बार कुछ ऐसे इवेंट्स भी होते हैं जो आप इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते, बट फिर भी आई मेक श्योर कि मैं जहाँ भी जाऊँ मैं टाइम से पहुँचूँ या टाइम से थोड़ा पहले। बट विद बॉम्बे ट्रैफिक फिर मुंबई ट्रैफिक बहुत अनएक्सपेक्टेड ट्रैफिक हो जाता है कभी कभी।
राजकुमार, क्या कह सकते हैं हम कि राजकुमार का वक्त बहुत अच्छा चल रहा है, टचवुड डेफिनेटली गोइंग टू गो अप।
थैंक यू सर।
हमारी अधूरी कहानी से भी क्या कहते हैं कि आप कितना
होपफुली मेरे फिंगर्स क्रॉस्ड हैं, रिलीज़ है फिल्म बहुत जल्दी एंड मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि सबको फिल्म पसंद आएगी। और जैसे मोहित सुर की बाकी फिल्म ने इतना सक्सेस देखा है, हमारी अधूरी भी उसी फहरिस्त में शामिल हुई और आई होप मेरे काम को भी लोग पसंद करेंगे। मेरे किरदार का नाम है हरी। मेरे किरदार का नाम है हरी। ये एक उस कम्युनिटी को, उस क्लास को रिप्रेजेंट करता है जहाँ पे औरतों को बहुत दबाया है। वो चाहते हैं कि लाइक वुमेन शुड बी सबमिसिव, कि उनको दे ट्रीट वुमेन एज ए प्रॉपर्टी। तो ये उसी क्लास से आता है और कैसे बट आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ आई प्लेड इट। आई थिंक ही इज़ ऑल्सो इन लव। हिज वे ऑफ शोइंग लव इज़ वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम इमरान's कैरेक्टर, बट ही इज़ अ लवर who's wanting his love back from whatever has happened, but there's a graph to it, there's an emotional journey to it जो आपको सिर्फ फिल्म देख के समझ आएगी। नहीं, वक्त के लिए पहनता हूँ मैं। मुझे मोबाइल में टाइम देखना इतना मुझे बहुत स्ट्रगल लगता है, उसको निकाल के पूरा बहुत एफर्ट है। तो आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इजी कि आप वॉच पहने, जो कि जैसे मैंने कहा कि मेल्स के लिए बहुत ही कम एक्सेसरीज होती हैं, वैसे भी मतलब गर्ल्स के लिए इतना कुछ है दुनिया में, पर लड़कों के पास बहुत ही कम ऑप्शन है। तो वॉच उसमें से एक बहुत प्रीमियम एक्सेसरी है, तो ज़रूर उस पर स्पेंड करना चाहिए।
आपने अपने बलबूते पर टोटली लो गॉडफादर इन द इंडस्ट्री काम अप उसके बारे में बताना चाहोगे कि खास करके बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में यू मस्ट स्ट्रगल अवार्ड ऐसा कोई?
जी ज़रूर। मैंने अच्छा वक्त भी देखा है, बुरा वक्त भी देखा है, मैंने स्ट्रगल भी देखी है, और आई थिंक तभी आपको मज़ा आता है जब स्ट्रगल करके आप ऊपर आते हैं, क्योंकि वही सपना आप देख रहे थे और स्ट्रगल के दौरान कि एक दिन मुझे यहाँ पहुँचना है, एंड वंस यू बी देयर आपका फिर उसके बाद सपना और बड़ा हो जाता है कि मुझे अभी और ऊपर जाना है। सपने का तो अंत नहीं है, but I feel happy that whatever I dreamt of, I'm kind of living that dream every day. Thank you so much.